This lesson will focus on polygons from National 5. A polygon is a two-dimensional shape made up of straight lines. A polygon will have 3 or more straight lines. A regular polygon will have equal side lengths and equal interior angles. Examples of common polygons are listed. Triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, and decagon. To calculate the sum of interior angles, we have two options. Option 1, as we know angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees, we can split our shape into triangles. Option 2, we can use the formula sum of interior angles equals bracket n subtract 2 close bracket multiplied by 180 degrees. Example 1. Calculate the sum of interior angles in an octagon.
In example 1, we want to calculate the sum of interior angles in an octagon. So the first thing we have to know is how many sides there are in an octagon. So we've got an octagon which has 8 sides. To find the sum of the interior angles, we're going to use our formula. So we'll get S for sum, and that is equal to bracket n subtract 2 multiplied by 180 degrees. Now in this formula, n simply stands for the number of sides. So in an octagon, we're going to have bracket 8 subtract 2 multiplied by 180. So take your calculator, 8 subtract 2 is 6, so 6 multiplied by 180. That gives me an answer of 1080 degrees. So this means that the sum of all of the angles inside of an octagon add up to 1080 degrees.
Example 2. Given the regular hexagon opposite, find part A, angle F, the interior angle, part B, angle G, the exterior angle.
To find angle F, the interior angle, to begin with we'll have to work out what the sum of the total of all the interior angles is equal to. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So if we take our formula, the sum is equal to n subtract 2 multiplied by 180. So we have 6 subtract 2 multiplied by 180, which will be 4 multiplied by 180. Now this may be calculator, this may be non-calculator. If it's calculator, just always make sure you use it, just even if it's a silly calculation, just to make sure. So we've got a total of 720 degrees. So that is for all 6 of the interior angles. I just want 1, so therefore F will be equal to 720 divided by 6, and I'll get a final answer of 120 degrees. So that's my interior angle. I now want to get angle G, which is my exterior angle. So you'll notice here, we've got a straight line. So both angle F and angle G should add up to 180. So therefore, we want angle G. So we're going to take angles in a straight line, which is 180 degrees. And I'm going to subtract my interior angle, which is 120, to leave me a final answer of 60 degrees.